what's the value of your pillow? Your pillow might determine how your shoulders, neck, and back feel, how well you recover after a workout, how cranky you are with your kids, your spouse, your coworkers, and how you feel when you get up in the morning. What if a pillow could take the place of a chiropractor, expensive recovery supplements, or your first cup of coffee in the morning? What if you could jump out of bed feeling like you had more energy just because you got better, more restorative sleep? I'm Katie Kimball from Kitchen Stewardship, and I showed you a rather messy video a few months ago of how I adjusted this WakeWell 4-zone adjustable pillow that is also non-toxic, super important, always where we start, for my husband. And I told you at that time that my husband had just grabbed the overstuffed pillow the way it comes from the producer and slept on it and felt horrible, had a horrible crick in his neck. So what happened after I emptied out a bunch? Well, he slept on it for a couple nights and his pain was better but not gone. And let me underscore that he's been doing a lot of weightlifting and he had incredible back, neck, and shoulder pain. He thought he had a pinched nerve, and sometimes he'd turn one way or the another, and just shooting pain would go throughout his back. I reduced the amount of filling, the amount of Tallow latex filling, again in the WakeWell pillow, one more time. And I'll show you how much I took out. It's quite a bit. I feel like it's enough for a travel pillow. Once I got it right, and there's probably even some more micro adjustments we could make. Once I got it right, he woke up and said, "Oh my goodness, I feel great." All that stiffness, all that pain, the shooting nerve pain was basically gone unless he, moved too fast or tripped or injured himself. Gone. So I don't know. I mean, we're the kind of people who try out a lot of health things and we always say, well, gosh, it's so hard to tell if that diet actually worked because our bodies are so complex and maybe we feel a little better, maybe we don't. Was it the diet or did we just get more sleep? We don't know. This was so convincing and so correlative. It has to be causative. This pillow absolutely positively helped my husband feel better and get up with more energy. And when you feel better, you treat people better. You have more capacity to bring to the world. So I'm a super fan. I'm starting to get a little jealous, even though I love my pillow, my down feather pillow that I've had since we got married. But I'm thinking I might need to get a WakeWell for myself just to have the ability to play with the 4 zones and see if I can get even better, less sore in the morning, even better sleep and less sore in the morning. So if you are someone who feels like you're not getting great sleep, if you're waking up, with the sore shoulders, the sore neck, the sore back, if you just wonder if a pillow could be worth chiropractic adjustments, expensive restorative supplements, and the energy you bring to your family, the 120-day try it out money back guarantee makes it just a shoe-in. It makes it so worth it. So, and plus the fact that it's non-toxic and you're spending hopefully 8 full hours resting your head on something that's not off-gassing toxins into your face. Total bonus. So here at the Kitchen Stewardship household, we have become big fans of the WakeWell pillow. My husband was incredibly skeptical, by the way. He's always the skeptic, and he was shocked. So we give our hearty recommendation to the WakeWell pillow. Let me know if you try it and how it goes for you.